Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is how to host a watch party on Facebook. So open up your browser, then go to facebook.com. So make sure you're logged into the page manager that you have in your account. So after that, just scroll down in the menu section, then go to pages. In here, you need to go to the page that you want to host a party with, and then tap on the switch now. This will prompt you to manage your page itself. So after that, just tap on the what's on your mind or creating a post and tap on the add to your post, the three dots. So as you can see, there's no more watch party here because it was removed from 2022. Now there's an alternative for it. You can either go for a live video in which you can stream the video itself there or create a live video event. And that's the closest thing that you can do to host a watch party. That should be it.